All right. You guys might not have enough money for the gaming PC yet. Maybe you're saving, maybe whatever, but you have a console. And I'm just going to show you how to set up your PlayStation or your Xbox so you can stream like the pros. All right, let's get started. Roll it. What's up, guys? My name is Kyle. I go by I am Triple G online. I am your stream sensei. I'm here to make your streams a little bit better so you can stream smarter, not harder. When I first started streaming, I started streaming just on a console, so I had to learn how to do it properly. So I'm going to teach you the ways that I did here with my PlayStation 4 behind me. And I'm going to show you kind of cool tips and tricks that you can do with that. And then I'm going to kind of dabble in how to do it on Xbox as well. If I don't know, I'm going to find myself a video and I'll link it in the description below. Before I start, I do just want to let you guys know I do stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday on Twitch. The link will be below. And if you're looking to grow with your stream, we do have a Discord. The link is also below. It's the Stream Sensei Discord, where a bunch of stuff is out there for free. A bunch of emotes like this one are out there for free. And we're just going to keep growing and growing as a community. All right, so this is your PlayStation home thing. And what you want to go do is you want to go and download on the store the Twitch app, first of all. If you're streaming on YouTube or whatever, I believe you could do it that way as well. Mixer was here, but not anymore. And you want to sync your Twitch app, but first you want to do something else. You want to go to your settings, and you also want to go down to sharing and broadcast. And this is where you're going to kind of like do everything. So your video clip settings, your screenshot settings, cool. Let's do your audio sharing first. You want to make sure that this is clicked. So all checkmarked, and checkmarked, because you want to share your party audio. You can always just mute it and stuff if you don't want to have people, ruining your streams. But if you're playing with your friends, this is a perfect way to do it. So go back, make sure all that's set up. This is the cool thing. So I just want to stop right here. You can just be an audio streamer. You don't need to have a camera or anything. What I just did to set it all up, that's all you need to stream. If you just want to learn how to find your voice and not your personality on a camera, then that's okay. You just find your voice. And you start there. If you're more comfortable doing it like that, that's totally fine. So I have this little piece of hardware, which is the PlayStation Move camera that I got from like a used video game place that cost me like 14 bucks. I set it up to my PlayStation, and we're gonna set it up as a cam. I'm gonna move it around. All right, let's minimize me right now. Whoop, go back. Now we're gonna take our control. We're gonna go to advanced settings. So what we want to do is we want to include video from PlayStation camera in broadcast. You don't need to, but here you go. Wicked, right? We're going to go to the video camera. Sorry, the camera video settings. And then you can see my lovely schmug face right up here. And what you can do is set yourself up to either be in the right, the left. You can make your thing large. You can make it medium if you want to. You can make it opaque, and you can actually do chroma key. So because I have a green screen in the background, as you can tell, I could do chroma key, and I could change the levels, and I can make an effect. Be like, you know what? I want to be pixelated. So if I wanted to be a pixelated chroma key guy, it works. Why? Okay. There. That's really funny, actually. This is the first time I've messed with this. That's hilarious. Circular. Okay, let's do no more pixelated. But yeah, if you want, you can just have yourself here, switch yourself around. You don't really need to have the whole thing, but it's just kind of cool. The chroma key cutout is really funny. I have no clue what the hell's going on right there. That just doesn't make any sense. Chroma key. With a chroma key, though, you want to make sure that you have a perfect light. So, you don't want to use it, don't use it. But, so, this little, like, camera that I have down here is that it's putting me up there. I can move this. If you don't want this size to be super big, you do that. Or you can do it wide. Doesn't really matter. Wide gives you more of a like widescreen effect. I like going medium. But yeah, and you can see the transparency. I don't need to be fully there. And then like I can adjust the contrast. I can adjust the brightness. If you have good lighting, then it's totally gonna be okay. When you're done, you see full screen. There we go. And when you go live, this is what's gonna happen. You are going to play your game. It's gonna do its thing, and then you can have this. You don't really need anything else. Maybe your headset. So, you just want to angle your camera properly. Like even like that's really good. You don't want to angle it like this. This doesn't look good. Angle it properly. You usually want an eyesight. So, like I have this one eyesight. Boom. And yeah, let's go back. I need my headphones on. So after you're done that, you just want to make sure that you go down to this one. It says display to spectators and spectators comments. If you have it on, you are going to have kind of like the chat on the right side of your screen, and it's just going to be a picture of you. It says it's going to be live, and then it's going to have how many people are watching you and a comment. To me, I didn't like that. So I needed that turned off. So I always have that off. And then what it's going to look like is this. I believe if I have it turned on, it will change it to this. As you can see. See, this is what it's going to look like. And I know most of you people that are doing it this way do not like this. So you want to switch it. I've helped a couple people in my community get rid of this, and they are more than happy now. Because like that is so much more cleaner, so much more nicer to have set up. So back to this, make sure that's unchecked. If you want to have your comments come in like a speech, which is kind of cool, you can set that up. You can enable it. And then when people have comments, it will be like a robot voice. It's pretty sweet. I don't have it set up though because I don't do anything else. And the last thing you want to do is link community to your broadcasts. You want to make sure that your PlayStation community is there. Easy peasy, right? Just do that. And then what else? We need to set it up. I'm going to link with Twitch. So you want to go through all that. Do all that jazz. Just pretend it got done. What pops up is the sign in. You do your sign in thing, and then you get your stream key, and you are good to go. I do want to just make something clear. I'm in the middle of editing, and I forgot to say that I will link the Xbox way of doing this exact video in the description because I couldn't figure out how to do it. Cool. I think that's it for the video. I do just want to point out that this is the Discord I was talking about earlier. You guys can feel free to join it. We got a bunch of stuff ready. There's a bunch of free download stuff of emotes from Among Us and then some free ones. And there will be a lot more stuff coming your guys' way. So just remember, if you want to join that Discord and grow, go down to the bottom. It's in the link in the description. I just want to say thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are doing awesome. Make sure when you stream smarter, not harder. All right, guys, that's it. That's it for the video. Remember, if you liked it and you want to see more stuff like this, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'm going to be making more videos, so don't you worry. They're going to keep coming. They're going to keep coming. So, yeah. Well, in that awkward moment of me not being able to come up with something better to say, My name is I am Triple G, and I'm Audi. 400 guys. See ya.